Hi, my name is Michaela Harris. I'm the owner and operator of Timberlake Marketing along with my husband Christian Harris. We wanted to take a minute just to kind of show you where you stand on Google when it comes to your customers finding you and what services we could possibly offer to help you. Ultimately, I hope that you walk away from this short video with at least a little bit of knowledge to help your business out, whether you choose to go with our services or not. So we'll just jump right in. If I was to look up to try to find you, the first thing I see is that I'm not seeing a website at all. When I go to Google, I can find this. And the only way that I was able to find your company was by searching construction in Scottsboro, which I know you're a garage door supplier, so I know that doesn't exactly fit perfectly. But that being said, it's not easy to find your business unless I search for the name directly. In addition to that, you do have a lot of good Google reviews, and I could find your business on Yellow Pages. Not many reviews on here, but you are at least listed on Yellow Pages. With this, I notice that we again don't have a website. So my suggestion to you would be to get a website up so that any potential customers or clients would be able to pull up your website, see some of the things that you've done, see your products, see anything that they need to do in relation to working with you as a business. With that, they'd be more likely to go with your company over others. And I do notice there's not that many companies in Scottsboro that do what you do. You seem to be a good specialty store, which means that you are unique in that way. But the goal is to get you a website with enough content that no matter what somebody searches in Scottsboro that has to do with contracting or building supplies or garage door suppliers, anything like that, that you would be one of the first people to pop up. That would be the end goal. And to do that, we'd have to take a look at, exactly who your customer base is, who are you trying to reach, who do we need to target this website for, what keywords are we going to need to use. Ultimately, though, I think a website would genuinely help you reach more customers and help increase that customer base, not just for people in Scottsboro, but for people all around DeKalb County. So, with that, I hope that this was at least a little bit informational. I do honestly think a website would help your business, whether you chose to go with our services to build that or not. I do think that it would be extremely helpful. If you have any questions about other services we offer, or you would like a free consultation that goes more in depth on what we could do for your company, I would love to schedule that. Please just let me know if you have any additional questions, and thank you for your time.